And here we go, we've got a dispatch on the front row. Lots of tunnels on this ride. Now actually featured an onboard brakeman as well. There used to be an old scenic railway in this location that was actually destroyed in World War II. And then this was its replacement that was built in 1950. Oh, we haven't made it to the lift. That's it. Oh, she's got to actually get out and give it a little push. Not very often you see that, is it, on a coaster? Maybe because it's so hot today, didn't get enough momentum to make it. But we're on the chain now. Climb up that lift. Some great views looking out over the park as well. It's full of gnomes, this ride. Little gnome statues. And we're off. More gnomes. Love a good historical attraction. Here we go. Hey! Woo! I don't know what that was then, but some sort of large bug just hit the camera. A bit slow around here, you might have to get out and give us another push. Yeah, that's the building for the Gerstlauer Spinner Masquerade. Double down, here we go. Woo! Yeah. 75 years old and still going strong. Look at that, it's beautiful. This is what you expect to see in Austria, isn't it? Like attractions like this. Lovely. Woo! Oh! Oh, the gnome's trying to wet me. Oh! Oh! Oh, it's a lovely little ride. That's based on the largest mountain in Austria. Oh, hey. I think that little village is maybe supposed to represent Hallstatt, where we visited. And of course, that vlog's coming up on the Sandbrook Adventures, our second channel. So yeah, make sure you check that out. Oh, that was great. I love that.